GMT truly rose 42.29% in 7 days, or so they truly thought. Bull control GMT's kind of current cost activities, or so they fundamentally thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN most certainly is floating at $688,912,110 in a genuinely enormous manner. Current STEPN cost explicitly is $0.62 the 13th of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense. Sought clarification on some pressing issues. What in a real sense is genuinely transient cost expectation for STEPN? Explicitly is GMT a genuinely wise interest in a significant manner? STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on. Or so they generally thought. In any case, prior to plunging commonly profound into the GMT specialized examination, really let us truly discuss the especially current economic situations, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,20109,556,157, which especially is very huge. The truly complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $29,326,280,073, which most certainly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, or so they generally thought. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN fundamentally is drifting at $688,912,110, which especially is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58. Following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period in a significant manner. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP explicitly is up by 0.53 and right now exchanging at 43 cents, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN all things considered is floating at $688,912,110 in a quite enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions show that the market basically is going in a by and large descending course for essentially present moment, exhibiting that 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN really is floating at $688,912,110, which certainly is genuinely critical. As of now, a by and large broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, essentially further appearance how yet prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the GMT specialized examination. Let us especially discuss the for the most part current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period. Or so they most certainly thought. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more sort of dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Further appearance how which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, which generally is very critical. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors generally become move pretty dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN in a real sense is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the very beyond 24 hours and certainly has a value change of 42.29% over the course of the week, exhibiting how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,20109,556,157 in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is $688,912,110.00 US, while pretty all-out market cap came to $369,248,871 USD, which generally is genuinely huge. There in every practical sense are very nearly 600 million sort of are available for use out of 6 billion in a kind of enormous manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for the 13th of May 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time span explicitly made sense of beneath, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN for the most part is drifting at $688,912,110 in a by and large significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving all things considered, normal and outstanding moving all things considered, normal to really examine the future development of the STEPN, which fundamentally shows that right now, a truly broad all things considered, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, essentially further appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the GMT specialized examination. By and large, let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations in a sort of enormous manner. The by and large relative strength record demonstrates that the GMT coin most certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI especially is at 37, showing how we utilize exceptionally relative strength index, moving genuinely normal intermingling and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving commonly normal and outstanding moving extremely normal to by and large investigate the future development of the STEPN, which especially shows that as of now, a sort of broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, in every practical sense, further appearance how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the GMT specialized examination. Basically, let us in every way that really matters discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they in every way that really matters thought. The MACD line sort